So this is just a real quick tutorial on how to replace the fan in your laptop. This particular model is an Asus, but this is pretty much going to be the same for any Windows laptop, whether it's HP or Dell, Acer, Asus, doesn't really matter. The fan location may be different, but really it's the same no matter what. So if your device is humming or making a loud noise like a family of raccoons is living inside your computer, then this video should help you out. First thing you want to do is you want to flip your laptop over and take all your screws out. Obviously different computers have different screws and lengths, so after you take them out, be careful to put them back in appropriately. So once we've got the screws unattached, we can take the laptop and start prying and get your finger in there. You may have to use a pry tool of some sort, but being that this was plastic, I just kind of nestled my fingers in between the frame and the bottom here, and I was able to snap this off. And here are the brains of this computer. So right here is the fan. It's making a really loud noise. And here's the replacement part. Now somewhere here on your fan you should have the model number. So go ahead and do the research that you need to make sure that you can find this replacement fan that you'll have on your laptop. Mine is right here in the middle. Now on our computer here, there are only two connectors that we're going to have to actually unhook. One is for the battery and one is for the fan. And as with any electronics device, the first thing you do want to unplug is the battery. Now come down here to the fan and just easily slide the connector out. We'll go ahead and take some of the sticky tape that's keeping these wires in and peel it back. And there's another piece down here. So we'll go ahead and pop it off as well. And lifting this up reveals that there's another screw there. So this unit actually only has two screws that we're going to have to unscrew. The fan on your unit may be a little bit different here, but this is also held in with a little bit of sticky tape here at the bottom. So I'm just going to get this out of our way. And from there on, we should just be able to wiggle our fan out of place. Now this brand was actually a Panasonic fan. So here's this replacement. And as you can tell, everything will line up perfectly. So your fan may have two, may have three screw holes. You just want to make sure that you get the right part, place it back in, align it up correctly. Once we line everything back up, we can go ahead and put the screws back in. Now one thing I do recommend is going ahead and putting the screws back in ahead of time before you try and put the fan back together and snap it back into place. And here I'm just basically putting that sticky tape back over. And that'll make it a lot easier when you go to snap the connector back in. Once you reconnect the fan, you may have to move some of the wires out of your way, and then you can go ahead and reconnect the battery. And with that, the repair itself is actually pretty much done. You put the bottom of the laptop back together. Make sure the screws go in the right holes. So if this video helped you, please give me a thumbs up, like it, subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.